Leaves and debris that we see piled up in the streets, like this large pile here in South Sacramento behind me. That is the responsibility of those claw operators that we see out roaming the streets. And as you just said, Eric, they're pretty much just running right now off of pure fumes and caffeine as they've been working around the clock over the holiday weekend to make sure the streets are cleaned in preparation for the rain that we're expected to get tonight.
Pick up every day.
You tired yet?
No tired.
Sergio Partida tells a city waste truck Tuesday scooping and dumping leaf piles, prepping Sacramento streets for another round of rain.
How many leaves have you seen out there? How many piles?
Oh man, thousands probably.
We're just out there doing the work that we can.
Jessa David, a city spokesperson, says claw crews are out, rain or shine, clearing leaf piles in the fall and winter seasons.
Every day during leaf seasons.
She tells Fox 40 claw operators hit 93 zones across the city, sweeping streets of leaves and debris at least 7 times during the season, and even more often if a strong winter storm is on the horizon.
We had crews working overtime this weekend. They're doing what they can to get as much material off the streets before the rain comes.
Clears up the gutters, that way all the water can flow down the drains and we won't have no floods out here.
Partida and his partner claw conductors work with city utilities managers to pinpoint leaf pileups and scoop them away before they block rainwaters from running to the storm drains.
Claw crews, they're very crucial
to keeping Sacramento drivers dry and safe until they reach their destination.
And that's Jessa David with the city right there. She tells me that, as you can see, some leaves on the sidewalk here. They are mainly pretty much cleaned up for tonight's rain that we're going to see. So she says not much flooding to have to worry about, at least here locally in our city streets here in Sacramento. But she says as much work as those cleanup crews have done, residents, homeowners can still do their part in helping out. If you see large piles of leaves like we've seen through the video and they've been sitting out in front of your home for a while, just go ahead and pick those up and dump them into your trash bin. That's really going to help those crews out a lot, especially if we have some rain in the forecast like we are seeing tonight. The 2 trouble areas to worry about out in front of those storm drains and in the bike lane. She also says obviously we have leaf pickup schedule around the weeks and days that we have this time of year, and that tends to change once we have rainstorms, so make sure to check the latest update on that schedule at our website at fox40.com. Reporting live in South Sacramento, covering local news that matters, I'm Mason Morrow, Fox 40 News.